If you're looking for a way to make money on the side, plenty of websites will pay you money to do simple tasks such as surfing the web, reading articles, or even completing surveys. Some websites will pay you for more involved tasks such as writing articles or doing data entry-related work. You can find websites offering easy work-at-home jobs or specifically designed to pay you money. Whatever your interests, there is a website out there that will provide you with a payment plan that is perfect for you. I have found 6 websites that can be helpful for you. These sites require no experience, so let's check them out. Google Opinion Rewards is a website that rewards you for completing tasks on the website. The tasks can be anything from rating a product on Google to writing an article for the website. The website offers a daily payout of $10, and there are no limits to the tasks that can be completed. The website is easy to use and has many features that make it an attractive option for people who want to make money from work at home. Many sites offer similar payouts, so it is important to compare and contrast the different options before choosing Google Opinion Rewards as your top choice. One of the main selling points of Google Opinion Rewards is that you can select your tasks to complete. The jobs are listed in order of difficulty, and you are given a time limit for completing the task. While working, you will be prompted to save your work as a PDF or other file. You can also print out the yield when it is done and send it to others for their review and comments. In addition to the above, you can also use Google Opinion Rewards as a way to buy some of your favorite products. You will be able to use the money you earn from other products in order to make a purchase on any of the sites that accept payment with Google Opinion Rewards. Enroll App is a website that offers people the opportunity to make money by testing websites. The app allows users to sign up for a free account and earn money by completing tasks specified on the website. This can include creating a profile, visiting the site, and uploading an image. After completing the tasks, users can receive payments for their work. There are many benefits of using the Enroll app. For example, it can help fill out surveys or find new job opportunities. Additionally, it can be easy to make money without leaving your home. Enroll app users should be aware of some of the risks involved in this type of business. These include taking on too much work at once, not being able to complete tasks quickly enough, or working with unsuitable companies. Enroll app has a wide variety of clients. Most of these customers are in the United States. In addition, most of them do not have a large budget to spend on this type of business. In order to get the best out of this type of business, you need to be able to provide highly effective services. In order to do this, you need to learn how to use the tools that are available in this industry. If you're a photo lover, the online photo marketplace, Folk.com, is the perfect place to sell your photos. With easy-to-use tools and a daily payout, you can make money online from your photos in no time. When choosing a picture for your product, think about what type of audience you want to reach. Are you looking to sell products or promote your blog? Once you know what photo you need, it's time to look through the available images. If you're selling pictures through email or social media, consider including contact information like phone numbers and addresses in each image file. Look for unique ways to contact buyers. For example, put a buy button in the corner of the photos so users can click and purchase immediately. Make your pictures stand out from the crowd. If the front page of your blog is taken up with images, likely you won't be able to afford to include a large number of high-quality photos. Try adding text or titles to your ideas to encourage users to scroll down. Snapwire is a website that will pay you money for your Instagram photos. The site offers various services, such as tips on how to take better photos, tips on how to make your photos look great, and even opportunities for professional photography shoots. It's simple to use and easy to start making money from your photos. You post them on Snapwire and then start earning money. There are many ways to make money from your photos, but the best way to start is by doing something you love, taking pictures of things you enjoy. You can also sell these images online or use them as a marketing campaign. There are plenty of ways to make money from your photos, so be creative and explore all the options available. If you're interested in getting paid to snap some pictures, Snapwire is the perfect website. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money on the side, there's no doubt that testing websites is a great option. TryMeUI offers paid tests that you can take online. And since it's an easy work-from-home job, you can do this on your own time and without any stress. You won't have to be experienced in web development to do this. TryMeUI offers self-paced courses that teach you all the necessary skills to create and test websites. So whether you're a first-time developer or have experience in another industry, there's a course out there that will pay you money every day. You don't have to wait for a job. TryMeUI offers paid tests that you can take online. And since it's an easy work-from-home job, you can do this on your own time and without any stress. It's an easy way to work. You'll have access to TryMeUI's free professional support and 24/7 customer care. All of this comes with a minimal commitment, so you can get paid while you take the time to learn. TryMeUI has a system that pays you for taking online tests. It works like this. You take the test and pass or fail. If you pass, your score will be used to pay you $1 daily. I definitely recommend TryMeUI as long as it aligns with your goals. However, if you're looking for something more substantial with high income potential, your best bet would be an online business and generating passive income. GigWalk is a platform that allows you to earn money by performing tasks for others. You can gig for companies or individuals, and many platforms offer GigWalk. You can find gigs posted online and in your community or neighborhood. The best way to start gig walking is by doing some research on the platforms that are available to you. The user pays a set fee for the walk and then receives a percentage of the fees generated by the walk. The fees are often paid in cash but can be collected with mobile apps like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Michael Kogut and Nick Kogut created GigWalk in 2015 as a way for individuals to earn extra money when they are not at their desks or on the job. Gigs are a way for people to make extra money on the side. They are relatively easy to set up and don't require any special equipment or skill. GigWalk can be used by freelancers, entrepreneurs, and professionals. They are also helpful for people that are self-employed or have a small business. Anyone who wants to earn extra income while they are not working can use GigWalking. GigWalk is slowly rolling out across the country but will likely only pop up in more densely populated areas. It's now available in Los Angeles, San Francisco, New York City, Chicago, Philadelphia, Boston, and Miami. Other cities, like Seattle, are expected to be next. Many websites offer easy work-at-home jobs. Some of these websites provide paychecks daily, while others require a little extra effort and dedication. But all of them are worth trying out. So don't be afraid to take on different work-at-home tasks to earn extra money. Make sure you research the website thoroughly before signing up to ensure the job is a good fit for you. That's all for today. I hope you like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.